Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset and set up a KMC smart plug in 2026. So first of all, you need to plug your KMC smart plug into the wall outlet, and then you just have to wait for the indicator to light up. So when it does, you just have to simply locate this type of power button on top of your plug, and you need to press and hold this particular power button for at least 5 to 10 seconds until the LED starts blinking rapidly. Now when it does, you just have to simply launch your KMC smart application on your phone. Then you need to make sure that in your phone that you are using for this particular addition and setup, make sure that it is connected to the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. Now inside the application, simply press the plus icon, select the smart plug, and then you just have to follow further on-screen instructions in order to basically set up the plug. Now once the setup finishes, you can assign the plug a name, and you can also get access to different types of features, like you can turn it on, you can turn it off, you can also rename it, and you can also schedule and add the timer. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.